act empowering the magistrates of Newcastle County to view and direct the removal of obstructions to the fishery of the Brandywine. Whereas, in order to preserve an uninterrupted peace and friendship with our native Indians, it is requisite that the most expeditious and easy methods should be contrived to examine into their complaints and to do them justice on all occasions, and also having a just regard to the petitions of our good neighbors, some of the inhabitants of Chester County, with respect to the loss of their fishery sustained by mill dams and other obstructions of the water laid across the lower parts of Brandywine Creek within the county of Newcastle, be it therefore enacted by Sir William Keith, Baronet, etc., that magistrates of the county of Newcastle for the time being shall at the next or any succeeding court of quarter sessions to be held for the said county, nominate and appoint 3 or more of their members to inquire into and examine the situation, nature, and condition of all such dams and other obstructions upon Brandywine Creek within the county of Newcastle aforesaid, as shall appear unto them to be hurtful and prejudicial by stopping or hindering the fish from running freely up the stream. And after such inquiry, made by 3 or more of the said justices as aforesaid, they shall make report thereof unto the next court of quarter sessions immediately following to be held for the said county of Newcastle, with their opinions how and after what manner the said dams and obstructions may be remedied or removed with the least prejudice to the owners and proprietors of the lands on which they are built or raised. And be it further enacted by the authority aforesaid, that immediately upon such reports being made and returned into court as aforesaid, it shall and may be lawful for the justices in open court sitting, or a majority of them, to take the matter under their advisement, and to give such final orders and directions towards altering or altogether removing such dams and other obstructions of the water in Brandywine, as aforesaid, as to them shall seem just and equitable, any law, custom, or usage to the contrary notwithstanding. And be it further enacted that if the owners and possessors of such dams and obstructions as aforesaid shall in any wise refuse to comply with the final judgment and directions given by the magistrates in the court of quarter sessions therein as aforesaid, then and in that case it shall be lawful for the magistrates or a majority of them in the same or any succeeding court of quarter sessions held for the county of Newcastle to issue their precept or writ directed unto the sheriff, commanding him to see the judgment and direction of the court concerning the said dams or obstructions on Brandywine Creek to be fully executed with effect at the expense of the party so refusing to comply with the same as aforesaid.